So this is our website. Any people asking question is called how to place ads on your website. That is our study website or dynamic. How to place my Google AdSense on your website. First of all, you can add your website on your Google AdSense list. That is called your website listing on your Google AdSense. Once is ready, the ad will be showing on your website. So before that, you can check your website rsamashbalkanbay.com. The site already ready from your here. Once ready here, just go for ads. The ads will be created for the three format: in article, in feed, text and image. Go for ad unit. We can create the new ad or else we can using for existing ad code. So first of all, you can take the simple existing ad code. Which ad code will be active? Select that ad code here. So this is active. This will be in article responsive. Select the get code in article and this one. So copy the snippet, means copy the code. Just go to your site, log in your cPanel. Which page or which place are you providing your ad? Simple, just your login and place my ad will be here. Just go to RSMR marriage and place ad will be in your footer option. That is called special notice. In this, go for file manager. We can add your ads and remove your ad also. So rsmr.html. Select your page, public_html. Create, edit. We can place ads on your total footer option. Here we can using for special notice. So previous ad will be what is called respective ad. Now change your ad. Click for save changes. Now click for refresh. Now the ad will be showing for in-feed ad. This is called in-feed ad. Now you can check for in-article ad. Simple. I'm done. Go back. So go for in-article for responsive. Click for get code. Copy the code. Here go to site. Paste it. Now refresh. Will be be like this. So in here you are showing any kind of things. So if you go for in feed, so in feed, click for get code. Here is copy the code. Just paste the code. Click for save changes. Now click for refresh. Here the ad will be showing will be very in feed. You can change it for in article, in feed and text with image. Suppose you can go for text with image. In this text with image, responsive, get code. You can select for the common size, responsive, everything will be select. Copy. Select here, save changes. Now click for refresh. This is called text and image ad. If you're not required, simple, delete the code and click for save changes. Your ad will be removed permanently. Is it clear? This is called place your ads, remove ads on your particular website, select your placement, add on your code and add your display and add your website. That only eligible for when website will be ready on with Google AdSense. So this will be place your ads on your website with the Google AdSense code.